All right. Final guess? Enzo?
Ninja.
It's a ninja. You think there's a ninja in there? What do you think?
I think there's seats in here.
Seats? I mean, you just read it.
Spray paint booth?
So it's a paint booth.
Paint booth. It's like a...
Oh boy. All right. What's in the box?
What's in the box? I don't know.
Watch yourself. Watch yourself.
I don't know, son.
You're never supposed to cut towards yourself. You know that?
You are. Why are you doing it?
I'm cutting towards you guys. Never cut towards yourself. Cut towards other people.
What?
Oh, I like this. It had like a little protection here for when you run your blade over. You can cut a hole in it. Baggie of stuff. Looks like some steaks. Okay. Put those PVC pipes out of your hand. Both of you. One blower. Two blower.
I still don't get what this is supposed to do.
Are you kidding me? You're gonna be blown away with what it does. Get a booklet.
You're still not telling me what it does.
You read the box.
A spray paint booth.
Yeah.
Is it like a face painter booth? I don't know. You just said it.
Get this out of here. Watch out.
It's like a pouch. Wait, can we kick that box?
No, you can't kick the box.
Can we get inside of it? Yes?
No. If you ever want to get anything done, don't have children.
Hello. I'm not in the box, I'm sitting. You're in the box. Is it a camping tent? Or, I mean...
Alright, this is a bag that is probably never going to go back in. Alright, now we're going to cut these blowers open.
Well, if you put the blowers open, they would bleed. And you don't want them.
We don't want it to bleed. We don't read these until we get in trouble.
Yeah, but that says the bounce... What?
What?
It says bounce house blower.
Well, maybe I got a bounce house.
Oh. It looks big enough. That open knife is disturbing me a little bit.
It's disturbing you?
Yeah.
Okay, I won't let it disturb you.
Okay.
Another bounce house? Is it a bounce house? Is it a bounce house?
Yeah.
Now, which one goes into blowing it up, huh?
I have no idea. I assume
Actually, it's on the box.
Surprised we didn't find Enzo in the box.
Yeah, Enzo gave up.
He's not even outside.
The ventilation blower is the 480 watt, and the inflation blower is the 750 watt, which is the bigger one.
I have no idea what that means.
Enzo, could you get me an extension cord, please? No, we're not doing that.
Mom said I could.
Right now?
Where even is Mom? I bet you're glad she's not here.
I bet she's glad she's not here.
I don't even know what to say to that.
2 hands on there.
This?
Mm-hmm. Well, I mean, I just don't want you dropping it.
Well, I haven't dropped so far, have I? Whoa. Wait, Mom, is it a paint booth or a bounce house?
Alright, it's not blowing up. Probably because there's a big zipper over here that needs to be closed. Probably for the deflation process. And I'd imagine. So it was over right there, and I imagine, there it goes. There's gonna be one over here too. Yep, and there it is. This is where reading the directions would have came in handy. All right, and that's it. That's a bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. And this is the 23 by 13 by 9, if I recall correctly. Look out, see what it does.
Buy paint booth.
That's right, going to go up in the air. This was free with a couple of coupons.
Well, we could get it for parties. Like you could. It's like a solution when there's bad weather.
I don't think it's gonna hold rain. Yeah, I saw a video of a guy who didn't do well in the rain. We're gonna measure the actual length and width of this thing, the usable space.
I'm sure a car could fit in there.
Are you sure?
I can assure you your Evo would.
Are you sure?
A billion.
Alright, so you're about at the space that's usable. And we're right at about like 22 foot. Alright. Let's measure the width. And you're right there, like the usable space. And we're right at about like 10 foot. Alright. And the last one. Alright, I'm touching. What do we got? 7 foot
Oh, 7.
and 9 inches.
Oh, nice.
Alright, and today's a pretty windy day. And you can see the floor lifting a little bit. But the floor lifting a lot of it. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Yeah, we're not staked down at all. But the ventilation blower is coming in, filling up this tube, and it comes out here. And there's I'm sure you can hear it come in over the microphone of this phone. But that's not bad. Not bad. I dig it. I like it. Alright, so that's the bounce. Wow. That's the paint booth. And I'm excited to use it. So hope's good enough for painting that car. And the GTR back there. That Evo. So that'll be in videos to come. But right now this was that's the model number. I want to say it was 23 by 13 by 10, maybe by 9. But it looks like there'll be plenty of space after the car. So hopefully I'm going to lay some paint on some cars in the next video. Get out and work on your car.